Hi friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. Welcome my channel. Welcome my science channel. Today I want to discuss HMP shunt biochemistry discussions today's class. So I will before by HMP shunt is also one kind of metabolisms. Okay, it is also a metabolism. So also it is called, it is number one, also it is called as a pentose. It is called as a pentose phosphate okay, pentose phosphate shunt pathway. Okay, HMP shunt pathway. At first we glucose 6-phosphate. This is the two stage. One stage is oxidative phase. One stage is oxidative phase and second stage is non-oxidative phase. Okay friends, first stage is oxidative phase, second stage is non-oxidative phase. Okay, this is the two step. Okay, now at first I discuss oxidative phase. So friends, glucose 6-phosphate. Okay, glucose 6-phosphate with the help of the enzyme glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. This spelling is very important. Glucose, GLUCOSE, glucose 6-phosphodehydrogenase, DEHYDROGENASE, dehydrogenase, and NADP here, NADP plus with the magnesium Mg plus 2 we get NADP DPH plus H plus. Okay, we get after that glucose 6-phosphate converted into 6-phospho glucanolactone. Okay, after that it with the help of gluconolactone hydrolase. Gluconolactohydrolase. This is enzyme. With the help of the we get 6-phosphogluconate. We get 6-phosphogluconate and it come NADP plus converted into with the help of the Mg plus 2 we get CO2 and NADP plus H plus. We get ribulose 5-phosphate. Ribulose 5-phosphate. Okay, ribulose 5-phosphate. And after that, this stage. Okay, friends, look, this stage is called oxidative phase. This phase is oxidative phase. After that, it will start non-oxidative phase. Non-oxidative phase means ribulose 5-phosphate converted into, with the help of the enzyme epimerase enzyme. With the help of epimerase enzyme, we get xylose 5-phosphate, and isomerase. Another enzyme isomerase, we get ribose 5-phosphate. And after that, we use enzyme transketolase. This is the spelling TRAN, stands ketolase. Transketolase means TPP. Transketolase, we get heptolose 3-phosphate. And another, we get glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Another is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And after that we get pseudoheptolose 7-phosphate. Okay, pseudoheptolose 7-phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. We use the enzyme trans. This stage is called, which I am working. This is non-oxidative phase. Non-oxidative phase I describe. Transaldolase. The aldolase is very common because it is we discuss in the biochemistry first chapter, EMP path. We also know aldolase, but in here transaldolase. Okay, this is the memory. This way we can memorize this all the enzyme. Erythrose 4-phosphate. Erythrose 4-phosphate, and this is fructose 6-phosphate. We get fructose 6-phosphate. Okay, this is the fructose 6-phosphate. After that, xylulase 5-phosphate. I discuss in here xylulase 5-phosphate. I describe xylulose 5-phosphate. Xylulose 5-phosphate with the help of the transketolase. Transketolase enzyme, all are enzyme. Enzyme name is remembering fact. We get erythrose 4-phosphate. Erythrose 4-phosphate, and we get in here fructose 6-phosphate. Also remember fructose 6-phosphate also in EMP path. We also discuss in here also fructose 6-phosphate also in here, but it is also we see in the EMP path. Okay, fructose 6-phosphate and glyceraldehyde also spelling is very important. As a student we are all mistake in spelling must practice by blackboard, then we will remembering. Okay, this is the total our HMP path, importance of the HMP path. This is very important. Okay, importance important. It is important for the synthesis of number one. We see whatever we see NADPH, and number two pentose sugars, and next is the pathway. This pathway occurs in certain specialized tissues. Certain specialized tissues. Example: liver, erythrocytes. We know also erythrocytes organ, erythrocytes, testes, ovary, lens, and cornea, and it is important pathway. It is an important pathway for the synthesis and metabolism of pentose. It is important pathway. I also discussed it is important for synthesis of NADPH and pentose sugars. So thank you friends. This is the very small discussions